Hi, today in front of me Honor X8 5G and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings and then tap to home screen and wallpaper section. Tap to wallpapers. Here we'll see the gallery. Just downloaded photos from the internet or previously taken pictures on our device camera, or also we could use one from the default wallpapers. Just let's select one from them, tap to OK in the right down corner and select lock screen. Wait a second. Now just let's lock the device. And we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just pinch and then tap on the left down corner to wallpaper icon and select one from the available wallpapers by the same way. Tap to lock screen and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.